So, Samsung is about to change the foldable game. And if these leaks are right, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra might be the most significant upgrade we've seen in years. I'm talking a bigger battery, faster charging, and a design that somehow gets thinner, all packed into one device. And yes, Samsung might even be dropping a brand new name. Let's break it all down. The name change first. Before we get into specs, Samsung is reportedly shaking up its entire foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 7's direct successor, it's expected to launch as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, bringing the Fold series in line with the Galaxy S Ultra branding. And there'll also be a standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 for the wider foldable model. So yeah, Samsung's going Ultra on folds now. Upgrade 1. Bigger battery. The biggest change is literally the biggest thing inside the phone, the battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is rumored to pack a 5,000 mAh battery, up from the 4,400 mAh cell in the Fold 7. That's a notable jump, and it directly translates to longer screen on time, fewer midday top-ups, and just way less battery anxiety overall. Upgrade 2. Faster charging. And here's where it gets even better. Samsung is also expected to bump charging speeds to 45-watt fast charging on the Fold 8 Ultra. Compare that to the Fold 7's 25-watt, and you're looking at significantly faster charge times. So not only does the battery last longer, when you do plug in, you're back to full way quicker. Upgrade 3. Thinner and same weight. Now here's the impressive engineering flex. Despite the bigger battery, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is expected to weigh 215 grams, identical to the previous model. And it might actually be slimmer too. The Fold 8 Ultra is tipped to measure just 4.1 millimeters thick when unfolded, shaving off 0.1 millimeters from the Fold 7's 4.2 millimeter profile. That might sound small, but at this level of engineering, that's a win, and it could make this one of Samsung's thinnest foldables ever. Samsung is expected to unveil all of this at its Summer Unpacked event, possibly on July 22nd. As for the rest, display sizes and overall design are said to stay similar to the Fold 7, so the big wins are really in these three areas. So to recap, a larger 5,000 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, and a slimmer 4.1 millimeter build at the same 215 grams. Oh, and a brand new Ultra name to go with it. Samsung's clearly taking foldable seriously this year. If this all checks out come July, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra could genuinely be the best foldable Samsung has ever made. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are these upgrades enough to get you to upgrade? And if you're new here, subscribe, because when more leaks drop, you'll want to be here first. I'll catch you in the next one.